Hey friends, if you wish to fix access denied, you don't have permission to access the server, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, if you're using an organization based system, then it's normal. Then it will happen. I'll tell you why. Because your organization could have used a group policy to prevent you from using it. Now the second case is that if you have a home computer, then how would you help with it? So it's a very simple thing. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings. Automatically detect settings should be checked and use a proxy server should be unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. And if you're using any external VPN, then deactivate it. That's it. That's all you can do from your end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.